Hello everyone, welcome to another session of the chapter reaction mechanism. In that today we shall see one more reaction mechanism, that is benzene rearrangement. Benzene rearrangement is acid catalyzed rearrangement of hydrozobenzene into para-benzene. So benzene rearrangement is acid catalyzed rearrangement of hydrozobenzene into para-benzene. The acids used may be either hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Then going to the reaction, hydrozobenzene is nothing but two aniline molecules which are linked by their nitrogen atoms. When hydrozobenzene is reacted with acids like hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, hydrozobenzene will undergo rearrangement to form para-benzene as the major product. Hydrozobenzene, when reacted with acids such as hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, hydrozobenzene will undergo rearrangement to form para-benzene, which is the major product in this reaction. The IUPAC name of para-benzene is 4,4' biphenyl 1,1' diamine. Here 4,4' is nothing but the linkage of two phenyl groups, hence it is a biphenyl derivative. Here the two phenyl groups are linked at their fourth position, hence 4,4', and the amino groups are at one position, hence 1,1' diamine. Hence para-benzene is 4,4' biphenyl and 1,1' diamine. As I said you earlier, the hydrozobenzene when reacted with acid undergo rearrangement will give para-benzene as the major product. Apart from the major product, we also get the minor products. So these are the minor products, that is 2,4' biphenyl 1,1' diamine. We also get orthobenzene, wherein it is a biphenyl derivative which has amino groups at ortho positions. We also get orthosamidine and parasamidine. However, we'll see only the formation of major product while rating the mechanism, but not the minor products. So once again, benzene rearrangement is the acid catalyzed rearrangement of hydrozobenzene into para-benzene. Next, coming to the mechanism, for the sake of explanation, I have written the structure of hydrozobenzene like this. Since the nitrogen atoms of hydrozobenzene has lone pair of electrons, hydrozobenzene act as base so that it will easily react with the acids. So the first step is the protonation of two nitrogen atoms of the hydrozobenzene to get intermediate A. Next, the bond between two nitrogen atoms of the intermediate A break due to delocalization of the electrons, wherein the pi electrons of one of the phenyl ring attacks the para position of another phenyl ring to yield intermediate B. We can also write intermediate B like this. In the next step, deprotonation of intermediate B, that is rearomatization of intermediate B occurs to form para-benzene. So in the first step, protonation of two nitrogen atoms of the hydrozobenzene takes place to form intermediate B. In the next step, the bond between two nitrogen atoms of intermediate A breaks and the pi electrons of one of the benzene ring will attack the para position of another phenyl ring to form intermediate B. Then loss of two protons from intermediate B, that is rearomatization of intermediate B, gives para-benzene. This is how hydrozobenzene undergo rearrangement in presence of acid to give para-benzidine.